What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Google Pixel Fold, and I wanted to show you a case that I picked up from a company called Spigen. We're all familiar with Spigen. They make great cases, and this is the Ultra Hybrid for the Pixel Fold, or the Google Pixel Fold. Now, this is especially made for the Google Pixel, so it's gonna have perfect specs. It's gonna fit right on your Pixel Fold. I already have it on here, as you can see. Saved you the trouble of watching the whole unboxing. I've been using this case on here exclusively for a little while, and I do like it because you get to see the beauty of the white Pixel Fold, or the porcelain Pixel Fold. It does provide some really good protection, as you can see here on the outer display. It looks really nice. I do like the coverage that you get on the front display. Let me do the fingerprint. But yeah, as you can see there, you do get that good bezel. Now, this has a screen protector on it, so you're covered as far as a screen protector, and it's perfect. This is a screen protector from Whitestone Dome. If you haven't seen that video, check out my video on that. Easy install, and it does protect the outer display, which I really do like. Now, you do get some bezel action here on your outer display, which is great, so you can lay it down. You don't hit the corners, none of that good stuff. There is no hinge protection, so you might want to consider that. Some decent camera protection here on the rear cameras, but on the corners, you got some really good protection on the corners here. Now you see air cushion technology. Let's take a look at some specs on this. As you can see, this is about 1.2 ounces. That's how much it weighs. People ask how much these cases weigh, and I have to do it because, you know, they want it, you know. But let's see here. Features: certified, made for Google quality craftsmanship and durability, infused with blue resin for long-lasting clarity. What else you got here? Drop protection with the air cushion technology. We talked about that. Raised edges for the screen, camera protection, and it's compatible with wireless charging. So you're going to be able to wireless charge this, no problem, when you lay it on your wireless charger. But it is a nice little case here. It goes for about 50-60 bucks. It's not the cheapest case, but I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys can pick that up. Also, hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up so you know when videos like this are coming, you get that notification on deck. But I do like this case. As far as the buttons, you got them exposed here, so you'll be able to reach them with your fingerprint there, the on and off. Also, your volume up and down. But yeah, this has some good openings here for your speaker there. Also in the bottom, you got another speaker there and your Type-C port. Some microphone stuff there if you want to check that out. And there you go, there's more action there. But yeah, I do like it because I do like these clear cases because they do show off your device. You do have to kind of wipe this down so it doesn't get all out of whack. All right, one of the things that comes in the box is these stickers here. Now, these stickers were made popular with the Galaxy Fold or other foldable devices so that your case doesn't slide around because you're opening it on a foldable device. But I haven't found myself having to open and close it. But you know, hey, to each their own. So I don't really think you need it, but I wanted to show you that that's on there. Now, to take this off, you simply just pull it off from the top and it comes off very easy. Then you have this one piece here, and then you could take off this side here very easy. There. I saw my face, I don't know why. Somebody commented on one of my videos. And then here's the other side, that's the back. So it's a two-piece. So you simply, to put it back on, you simply just put it there, snap it in, and then you just put it over here and snap it in, and you're good to go. Everything is back to go, and you're good to go. I do like it. It's a nice little case for the Pixel Fold. And that's going to do it. I'm going to get out of here. I appreciate you guys watching. Why don't you pick one up? Let me know what you guys think.